In this video, I will be showing you how to create a storybook in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to Custom Size and select a standard US letter document to begin my layout. Now, I'll navigate to the Canva AI tab to generate my illustrations. I'll type in a detailed prompt describing the main character Maya in a whimsical library filled with floating clouds and glowing books. I'll set the style to illustration and choose a vertical aspect ratio before clicking to create the images. Once the images are ready, I'll look through the options and pick the one that fits my vision best. I'll click the three dots on the image to copy it, then go back to my blank document and paste it. To make it fit the page perfectly, I'll right-click the image and select the option to set it as my background. To add my story text, I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for a cloud text box. I'll choose this yellow starred design, resize it, and position it near the top of the frame. Now I'll paste my story text onto the page and move it directly over the cloud. To make it more readable and fun, I'll open the font menu and select a playful style like Comic Sans. I'll then adjust the font size, alignment, and line spacing until the text fits neatly inside the cloud. Next, I'll add a second page to continue the story. I'll return to the AI Generator tab and update my prompt to describe a new scene featuring Mr. Pumpernickel, a jolly librarian who looks like a walking marshmallow. I'll generate a new set of illustrations and select the one that shows him floating among the clouds. Just like before, I'll copy the image, paste it onto my second page, and set it as the background. For the text on this page, I'll go back to my elements and select a different cloud shape, this time in blue. I'll place it at the bottom of the page and resize it. I'll paste the next part of my story, update the font to match the first page, and adjust the size so it sits perfectly within the blue cloud. Finally, I'll do a quick review of both pages to ensure everything looks consistent. Once I'm happy with the results, I'll click Share, select Download, and choose the PDF standard format to save my new storybook.